Hey, comedy enthusiasts, get ready to ROFL, rolling on the floor laughing, your way into the new year with our comedy extravaganza. Join us as we present the funniest New Year messages that will have you rolling on the floor. If you're in the mood for a good chuckle, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the hilarity that awaits. Get ready to laugh your way into the new year. Who needs resolutions when you can't even commit to a gym membership? Here's to another year of pretending to consider a salad while devouring pizza. Happy New Year, where the only thing getting thinner is my patience. As the clock strikes midnight, I'll be reaching for snacks, not resolutions. Because let's be real, the only thing I'm resolving is how to fit more snacks into my diet. Cheers to a year of snacktastic moments. Attempting to decipher my resolutions from last year is like trying to understand a cat's meow. The struggle is real, folks. Here's to another year lost in translation. Happy New Year. My New Year's resolution? To be in bed by 9 p.m. every night. Not because I'm a responsible adult, but because my favorite show starts at 8 p.m. Priorities, people. Happy New Year filled with early bedtimes and binge-watching bliss. Got a gym membership for the new year. It's been 3 weeks, and the only thing I've lost is my motivation. Maybe next year I'll find it behind the couch with the remote. Happy New Year, couch potato goals. New Year's resolution, stop writing last year on everything, or at least learn to embrace the timeless art of scribbling it out like a pro. Happy New Year, where my penmanship remains consistently inconsistent. New Year's resolution, dance like no one's watching. Too bad my neighbors have telescopes. Cheers to embarrassing dance moves and hoping they're too far-sighted to judge. Happy New Year, twinkle toes. New Year, new me? Nah, I'll stick to the old me, the one who finds humor in the chaos. Laughter therapy is the only workout I need. Here's to a year of ab-aching hilarity. New Year's resolution, perfect the art of avoiding adulting. If folding laundry is wrong, I don't want to be right. Happy New Year, where adulting is optional and naps are mandatory.